Hey guys, welcome to the InvestTuber. This is the first video in my series of swing trading. From here on, I'll be making videos in which I regularly discuss about stocks which have the potential to give profits in short term by using swing trading strategies. Please note I'll be using only swing trading here and not intraday because I feel this has the maximum chances of making maximum profits with very low risk levels. It will be done by technical analysis of the charts and different indicators, and also the price action strategy I'll be using. What I'm going to do in this swing trading series, which I'm starting today, is that I'll be making several videos for the same stocks in different parts over a series of days after discussing my idea of entry and exit price level. For example, if I discuss about VIP Industries today, and I feel that this is a potential stock and a potential entry and an exit price in the future. So maybe a day or two after, I'll be making another video and just discuss about the status of the price there is. So that will give you an idea that whether the ideas which I'm giving can be followed or not. Please note, it is not a recommendation, it is only my personal views, and I hope you can learn, get idea, and definitely make good profits. Happy investing. Let's start. So today we'll be talking about the stock which is Titan company. You will be definitely aware of this. The reason which I have selected this company for today is that I have been tracking the price action for this for quite few days, and I feel that it is going through a very good path, a path which is a very good way for swing trading. And I think in the upcoming days we can take a position and we will be making healthy profits with it. So I'll just discuss why I think it's a potential swing trading stock for now, and the entry price, the exit price, where to start, where to end. I'll be explaining in detail about it. So what you can see in your screen right now is of Titan company. I hope you can see the cursor. So this is of Titan, and what I have taken is a 1 day time frame. For swing trading, I mostly take 1 day time frame. Maybe during some certain situations I change it to 15 minutes or 1 week. That I'll discuss later on if required. But for now I have taken it for 1 day, and you can see this chart. You can see this candlestick pattern. So the first step what I do is I'll just zoom out it a bit and just create a support and resistance level. That is the first step what we are going to do. Okay, and there's no requirement to put a lot of head into it. Just wherever you can see, just draw it. We can adjust it later. So just tell me now, when you're seeing this chart, where do you see the support and resistance level? First let's talk about the resistance level. I think, see, here there was a resistance, here there is a resistance, here maybe there is a resistance. So I think for now we can draw this. See, whenever you're drawing support and resistance level, give priority towards your latest price and then to the price which was in the previous. So I think we can draw one here. Okay, so I think here. All right, next, where can you say it? I think this can be your support level, this one. Yeah, so because it came here, so I think this was the lowest point. And besides it, where else? See, it was one here. I think this was another thing. Okay, so now let's just zoom it out and adjust it accordingly. Okay, so if you can see this, we have drawn this line. It touched here once, here once, here once, here once. So it is a pretty good one which we drew. No need for any adjustments. I think we can take it a bit above so that it is touching. Yeah, I think this is doing it. Okay, next, here it's a good one. Zoom out a bit. Okay, I think zoom in, and I think here we can take it at 795. Okay, see here, what I consider about these small breakouts are it is a false breakout. So don't worry a lot about it. Let it cross, it's okay. So here when you see it is crossing here, and there's a good resistance here. Resistance. So this is the most perfect one. The reason why I'm saying is, see, here it is one, here one, support. It break out here again, resistance. So this is a perfect line which can be followed without any worries, I guess. Now time to zoom it a bit. Okay, see, there's another thing which can be drawn. If you see, I think it is somewhere here. Here also it can be drawn, but it's not required as of now, because let's consider the lower one. See, here also it can be drawn. The reason why I'm saying is here you can see there's a support here, there's a support here, there's a support here, there was a breakout, then again a support. All right, but you cannot not this, but what we'll be considering as of now is this, the between this area. Let's just change the color so that we will get a better idea of this. Okay, the color is changed. So what we'll be playing for this swing trading for this particular session is that we'll be seeing the movement over here. Okay, and I will also discuss the positions which I have taken recently. Okay, time to zoom in. Okay, so this is the price. Now in this session what I will be discussing is purely based upon the price action. Okay, then I'll be talking about few indicators. So see the price action. See, from here this was the corona outbreak, and here we don't need to include any technical analysis because it was completely based upon sentiments. So see, it came all the way here, dropped, but this gave us a very good idea. I'll be honest, I didn't take a position here because I was also quite scared of corona. So that aside, let's see how candlesticks give us a good idea about it. Here it's a very beautiful hammer, green hammer pattern. See here, it came all the way to here 720, but then it got rejected and it came here. You know, a beautiful buying pressure we could see. So this actually confirms slightly that there might be a upper trend going on. So the next day it confirmed it was an upper trend. So here I suggested few of my friends to take a position. I didn't take it, but I suggested few. So here I suggested, so you can see that if we had taken a position over here, we could have got good profits till here, which is almost 10%, but we didn't do it. No point to cry over spilt milk. Let's see what can be done from here on. So these two levels I really like it. You can see this, the resistance level. So let's play between this. Okay, so coming here, I hope it's clear for you. So see here, it was a green chart and green candle, and they followed by a red candle. From here I felt that there might be a downwards trend, and it was proved true. Correct, downwards. See, I was planning, I had an idea that at this point somewhere around here, which is see 805 would be a good purchasing point, because from here on, assuming and seeing that Titan is a very good stock and there is not much bad news which is going on, so close to this support level, I don't believe that if it touches this support level it's going to break down further. It's not going to happen. It will touch and it will bounce back. See the way it touched and it bounced back. Seeing past also, let's just see past. If it broke this, it always has this, but see, it broke this, it came up, it broke this, it came up, it broke this, within 2-3 days it came up. So here again a support, here it broke but it came up. So it zoomed out. So I have good belief that it won't go. So if you want to play it completely safe, it would be a good idea to get somewhere here. Please note, this is not a recommendation, this is just my idea. It will be a very good idea to get somewhere here. So assuming that you get here, you can place your stop loss. 1 minute. Assuming that you can get here, you can place your stop loss slightly below this line. Yeah, let's maintain the risk reward ratio slightly above 1. See, let us not risk it big. Like I told you in the starting, let's not risk it big. Let's play it safe. Let's get this small chota mota profit, whatever we get, let's be happy with that. So I'm going to place that over here along with this. All right, so we are getting a risk to reward ratio of 1.15, which is quite decent enough. Okay, again, I know that it won't go here. I know the ideal one would be here, which would give us a risk to reward ratio of 2.1, but just for the safe side, let us keep this one here, so that even if this touches, it will bounce back here. So let's keep this as a stop loss and this as the target. So the target price would be 936 and the current market price is 860. Okay, so this is my idea for this session. It's not a recommendation, it is just an idea. So my idea for this session would be, this would be a good price point, which is 810, around 810, with a target of 936 would be a very good path to follow. So this is, now I'll tell you what I have done with it. Let me be very open. I was waiting for it to come till here. Shall we close it for now? Yeah. Okay, so let me be very honest. I was waiting for this level to come, but what I saw yesterday, day before yesterday, when was it? Yeah, 12th May. 12th May, what did I see? That here it showed a power candle. Okay, it was on a downtrend. I was expecting it to get somewhere between 805 or 800, between 800 to 805, but it didn't go till there. What I did yesterday, it showed a green candle. Now I'll tell you what happens with this power candle. Okay, let me explain you. So on 11th May, it opened at 847, around 847, and it went all the way down till 830. All right, seeing this downward trend, I expected it to go again down. I didn't take a position. Then what happened the next day? This is a very beautiful thing. Listen to it carefully and you can use it for different trades also. Listen it now. So here what happened, it opened it around 827 to 830. Okay, let's just neglect the small 2-3 rupees. Let's just take an average. So here it opened at this level. So it opened at the closing level of the previous day and it closed at the opening of the previous day. Let me repeat it. This is 11th May, this is 12th May. 12th May opened at the closing price of 11th May and 12th May closed at the opening price of 11th May. Alright, so this is a very beautiful technique which would give us an idea that now maybe the buying pressure has settled in. And this power candle is an indication that maybe the uptrend might begin and we can take our positions. So what I did, it's not a recommendation again. What I did, I took few trades here. I purchased few here. In 12th May, I purchased around 840 levels. By seeing this candle, I purchased few stocks here. And what I did was, my idea for now is I took a candle here. Yeah. Okay, so my target as of now is around 925. So I took it at 840 by seeing the power candle. Now I explained you the concept of a power candle, so I hope this is very much clear for you. So I took up this trade and now I am expecting it to go till 925 and I have belief. So what happened, I'll tell you again. I have kept a stop loss here, so 1.15 risk to reward ratio and 925 is my target price, which I believe it will come. Now what happened, after taking this trade here in 13th May, that is the day of recording this video, it gave an amazing opening at 881. Now this was also accompanied by the economic stimulus which our Prime Minister Modi along with Nirmala Sitharaman, which might be announced later on. So that was announced, so even that played, but again it gave a beautiful, see, I took out 845 and here itself I got 40 rupees the opening, but I didn't sell it because my target is 925. Then it dropped, I agree it dropped, but again it ended at a higher price than the previous day. So what was the price today? You can see here it was 1.65% up in 13th May. So tomorrow is 14th May. Let's see how that pans out. But as of now, at least for these 2 days, it followed the pattern which I picturized. Let's see whether it goes positive and negative the next day. But I have a complete belief that it won't come till here. Even if it starts falling, it's okay because it will touch this support level at 789 and it will jump back again. So if that happens, it's okay because I have kept a safe stop loss till here in around 760. So my idea for you is this: you can either take a trade that's gone, leave that. But now if it drops, please take a it's not a recommendation. If it drops, taking a trade over here will be a good idea with a stop loss and a risk to reward ratio at 1.15. so that's my idea. Let's see, I'll be making further videos also in the upcoming days, maybe in a day or two, just seeing that whatever idea I have given now, whether the price is following that pattern. If not, let's see to that. But I feel that this can happen, so keep a track. I'll be making the next video. This is a part 1. I'll be making part 1, part 2, part 3 further videos also. Please stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching that, and I hope you will be getting huge profits. Thank you.